Feeling tired all the time can be frustrating, but you're not alone. Fatigue can hit anyone, and often there's more than one reason behind it. If you're constantly feeling drained, let's dive into some common causes and simple fixes that can boost your energy and get you back to feeling like yourself again. One of the top reasons people feel tired is poor sleep quality. It's not just about how many hours you spend in bed, but the quality of that sleep. Things like caffeine too late in the day, screen time right before bed, or irregular sleep schedules can seriously mess with your rest. Try to set a consistent bedtime. Avoid screens an hour before sleep, and consider a calming nighttime routine to help you unwind. Another sneaky cause of fatigue is nutrient deficiencies. Iron, vitamin D, and B vitamins play a big role in energy production, and even mild deficiencies can leave you feeling wiped out. An easy way to check for this is a simple blood test, and if you're low, adding more nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, lean proteins, and fortified cereals can help boost your levels. Sometimes a supplement can help, but it's best to talk to a healthcare provider first. Dehydration is also a major energy drainer, yet it's often overlooked. If you're not drinking enough water, your body struggles to perform basic functions, which can make you feel sluggish. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and remember that caffeine and sugary drinks can actually contribute to dehydration, so opt for water, herbal teas, or low-sugar drinks to stay hydrated. If you're always tired, stress might be to blame. Chronic stress wears down the body and mind, draining your energy reserves. Stress produces cortisol, a hormone that in short bursts is helpful, but long-term elevated levels can lead to constant fatigue. Taking even a few minutes each day to breathe deeply, meditate, or do something relaxing can work wonders for your energy levels. Another key factor is lack of physical activity. It may seem counterintuitive, but staying active boosts energy, while being sedentary can make you feel more tired. Exercise increases circulation and endorphins, both of which can improve your mood and alertness. Even a short walk or some stretching can shake off that tired feeling and re-energize you. Diet is a major player in energy management. Too much sugar and processed food can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling even more drained. Opting for complex carbs like whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables will provide steady energy that keeps you feeling fueled all day long. Mental health can also impact energy. Anxiety and depression are commonly linked to fatigue. These conditions affect not just your mood, but also your motivation and energy levels. Talking to a mental health professional can help identify whether stress, anxiety, or depression might be contributing to your fatigue and provide effective strategies for managing them. For some, medical issues like thyroid disorders, sleep apnea, or chronic fatigue syndrome might be the root cause. If your fatigue is persistent, unexplainable, or affecting your daily life despite lifestyle changes, it's worth speaking with a doctor to rule out underlying health conditions. Getting to the root of your fatigue often involves a bit of trial and error, but once you start addressing these factors, you'll likely notice an improvement in your energy levels. Good sleep, a balanced diet, regular hydration, and managing stress are all powerful tools that can help bring back your energy. Try these adjustments and see what works best for you. And don't forget to check out our previous videos for more simple, natural health tips to keep you energized and feeling your best. If you found this helpful, like, share, and let's get that energy back on track together.